I love playing and creating with alcohol inks. They just have a beautiful look that nothing else does, in my opinion. In this video, I'm comparing the Dockside Picnic alcohol ink set with alcohol ink pearls kit number 2. Now the alcohol ink pearls have a colored mica powder in them, and they end up having a pearlescent sheen. They can be mixed with other alcohol inks and you can use them together, but in this video, I'm just keeping them separate so that you can see the different look that you get with alcohol ink pearls compared to just regular alcohol inks. I'm working on some synthetic paper and using an alcohol ink blower to blow the colors around. And I'm also using alcohol ink blending solution to blend them. You don't want to use isopropyl alcohol with the pearls as it makes them go grainy and really weird, and you lose the beautiful pearl essence that they have. The alcohol ink blending solution is meant to go with them so they keep their pearliness and look absolutely gorgeous when they're done. As you're working, you can add a little bit more of the color, a little bit more of the blending solution if you feel that it needs it, and you just keep going until you have a look that you like. You'll use the alcohol ink blower just to move everything around until it stops moving on its own, and then you can let it completely dry. Once it's dry, you'll see that the alcohol inks have a beautiful bright transparent color with a nice sheen to it, whereas the pearls have just a gorgeous pearlescence that nothing else really has. You want to make sure to use alcohol inks in a well ventilated area, but they're such a fun medium to play with. I love them.